I want to move on over now to a bread that is so, so good. Now, you've heard me talk about lace hoe cakes. My mama cooked them when I was growing up for lunch and dinner every day of her life. Well, today I'm going to do something a little different. A couple of girlfriends from my hometown of Albany, Georgia, make okra fry bread. Now, when they were telling me about this, I said, y'all are talking about hoe cake cornbread with okra in it. And they said, exactly. So that's what we're fixing to make. We're going to start with a cup of self-rising flour, and we're going to use 1 cup of plain cornmeal. And I'm going to add a little salt and a small diced onion. And here's the ingredient that makes this cornbread so unbelievably good, and that's sliced okra. And you want to slice it while it's frozen. Now we're going to want this batter very, very thin, so I'm going to put 2½ cups of water, and we're just going to mix this up. And it's really best if you let it sit for a few minutes because it'll thicken up a little. Isn't that pretty? All right, I'm going to give this a quick stir, and I'm going to let it sit here on the counter and rest a few minutes. Now I'm going to fry these in clarified butter because I don't want to run the risk of that butter burning. So let's see what we've got here. This is the prettiest batter. It almost looks like it has eggs in it, the way it's pulling, but it's not. It's from the okra. At this point, you could add a little bit more water and thin it out, but I think this is going to be pretty good. All right, and I'm just going to move it around just a little bit, just like that, and it's looking wonderful. I love fried okra, and this is like a bonus, fried okra and hoe cake. All right, I'm going to start flipping them, and you see the way I'm picking up my frying pan, I'm letting my grease drain to that side, so when I flip my hoe cake, I don't have to worry about them splattering up and burning me. All right, let's check on our okra fry bread. When I have my cooking schools, I try to introduce all of my family. And the last school I did, my Aunt Peggy was there, and I was able to cook and introduce her to everybody. And we just had a wonderful, wonderful time. So I want to thank y'all for those of you that might be watching that came to the cooking school. And I hope that those of y'all that didn't enjoyed seeing the clips. All right, what a meal. Hey, Gertie. It's unbelievable, Gertie.